right, it's that time again. We're going to walk around the lot, look at all the new inventory. I'm also going to point out the existing inventory in case you hadn't seen it. And don't forget, it's not too late to ask Santa for a new ride for Christmas, unless you're on the naughty list, in which case you may just end up getting a Yugo. But let's get started, starting off strong with some new inventory. A 1969 Oldsmobile Cutlass convertible, priced at $32,900. More new inventory, a 1967 Chevy Chevelle, priced at $36,900. This one's got a big block and a 4-speed. Moving on to some current inventory, you've seen this one before, a 1968 Chevy Chevelle priced at $27,900. Moving on to more existing inventory, we've got a parade of Chevelles here, a 1969 Chevy Chevelle asking $36,900. This one's got a big block 396 automatic transmission. And don't forget, more detailed info on all the new rides will be posted on maplemotors.com around midday Monday. Just head on over to the website, click on inventory. Before we move on to another new ride, let's check out this 1969 Chevy Chevelle priced at $37,900. Let's move on to this new ride on the lot, a 1971 Chevy Chevelle priced at $40,900. It's got a big block under the hood connected to a 4-speed. Another new ride on the lot. This one's a little more modern, however, still considered a classic. A 2002 Chevy Camaro SS, priced at $23,900. It's a 6-speed with only 33,000 miles. This one looks like it could be Santa's sleigh, a 1971 Chevy Corvette convertible priced at $27,900. Another new ride on the lot. It's not going to be a silent night with this 1968 Pontiac Firebird priced at $29,900. Have yourself a merry little muscle car. This 1967 Chevy Camaro convertible is priced at $34,900. It's got a 283 under the hood with an automatic. There might be peace on earth, but not in your neighborhood if you get this 1969 Chevy Camaro priced at $37,900. Ho ho horsepower. This 1967 Chevy Camaro convertible features a 305 with an automatic transmission, including Edelbrock engine accessories, bucket seats, 15-inch aluminum weld wheels, and more. Have a holly jolly hot rod with this 1951 Chevy two-door hardtop, priced at $22,900. It's got a 350 with a 4-speed, Mustang 2 front suspension, power rack and pinion steering, disc brakes, performance upgrades, and much more. You can have your chestnuts roasting over an open exhaust with this 1955 Chevy 210, priced at $37,900. It's got a 350 with an automatic. Come spring, you're going to want that air conditioning along with performance upgrades, chrome and aluminum accessories, headers, dual exhaust, custom interior, and more. Another new ride, if Santa saw this, he'd trade in his sleigh, a 2004 Dodge Ram SRT 10, asking $24,900. It's got a V10 under the hood, connected to a 6-speed transmission. Moving on to some current inventory, a 1970 Chevy Monte Carlo, asking $16,900 with a 350 under the hood, connected to an automatic transmission. This next one, I'm a little surprised it's still here. It might be gone before we know it though. A 1966 Pontiac GTO, priced at $32,900. It's got a 389 under the hood with an automatic transmission. Next up, you've seen this 1969 Plymouth Roadrunner priced at $39,900. It's got a matching numbers 383 with an automatic. This one's got air conditioning as well, lots of performance upgrades, chrome accessories, Flowmaster style mufflers. And we're going to finish up this row with some existing inventory, a 1996 Chevy Impala SS priced at $29,900. That was a decent little selection of some new rides on the lot. Let me know which one you would ask Santa for. I think I'd pick that 68 Firebird if it was me, but let me know in the comments which one was your favorite. Hope you all have a Merry Christmas. Don't forget the reason for the season, and I'll see you guys next time.